Welcome to Eternal Easy Education. In this session, you are going to learn Chapter 13, Python and CSV files. Content of this video is how to sort the values in CSV file. So, we are going to arrange the content in ascending and descending order in a particular field of a given CSV file. Read a specific column in a file. So how to do this? Import CSV, we know it's the module and we are importing the CSV module in this program. F equal to open C colon, this is the path of the file and the file is opened with the mode of read only. And read file is a user defined variable equal to csv.reader of F. So csv.reader, CSV is the module and reader is a predefined function with the parameter of F. What is the meaning of F? It is having the path of the file or the file name. Then for call COL, it's a user defined variable in read file. So the content is stored in the read file object and we are going to fetch the content one by one. As it is a specified column, we are going to read the column of 0 and column of 3. Let's see with the example. So this is a normal file. That means you have learned this in previous video. Importing the module and this file, that means the first line csv.register underscore dialect open bracket and parameter, first user defined variable and the delimiter is comma and the quoting is we have to allow all the quotes and the initial space is skip the initial space. So comma is treated as the delimiter, all the quotes are included and if there is any space in front it is ignored. And we are opening the file, that means reading the file with the reader and it is with the variable of row. For row in reader, print row. So the for loop will fetch the content one by one. Then we are closing the file. Here all the content in a particular file is going to be printed. So all the content are printed. Okay. So now we'll see another program for fetching a particular field or the column. So the same program, but here instead of printing the whole thing, we are specifying the field. As the given column number is 0, 1, here can you see only two things. So it's saying it's index list, that means list index out of the range. So we'll change the index. So if we change the index, it is giving the output. Anyhow, we'll see another example also with the another file 3. That means sample 3. I'll show the file first. So instead of 2-dimensional, we'll take only 1. So column of 0. So only the first column is printed. Okay. So instead of this, I'll print everything. So the whole file is having roll number, name, cities. As we required one column of 0, it displayed only the first column. So if we change this to 0, 1, 2, it will print the last column. So you understand the concept. So this file is having 3 columns. So when it is column of 0, it printed 1. And then I asked to print everyone without giving the index value. So it printed all the element. Now the index value is 2. So it is printing the last column. So this is the way how to print a specified column from a CSV file. Then read a CSV file and store in a list. So after storing, it has to print, right? So we'll see this. Content of the file will be stored as a list. So here they're having a empty list and they are appending the content in the list. That means adding the content one by one. See the program. So as we know, first the module is imported, then the delimiter is pipeline, and the file name is sample3, and the file is opened or reading through the reader function. Next reader, this is to skip the first row, that means the heading will be ignored. Then this is the empty list, array ARRVAL, array value is a empty list. Okay, then for row in reader, array, that means list dot append, this will add the value to the list, adding value to the list using the append function. Here row of 0, that means only the first column value is added. Then again a for loop, and we are going to print what is present in the list, not from the file, from the list. So the first row, except the heading, all the elements are printed. So this is the way how to add the content to the list. How to read a CSV file and store in a list. Okay. So the next topic is read a CSV file and sort a column value in a list for sorting. That means we are going to arrange the content which is stored in the list. So how to do this? 2 lines are added. So here the output is 12, 101, 103, then 102. Okay, this is the normal output what we get previously. Here I am adding 2 lines. One is arrival, that means array value dot sort. We are going to sort the content which is present in the list. And the sorting reverse equal to true. Reverse means descending order. So reverse equal to true. So first we will hide this. After that we can use this. So first I will hide this. First we are sorting. That means it has to be arranged. Arranged in the sense it is 1, 3, 2. So now the output should be 1, 2, 3. It must be in a ascending order, right? Yes, it is in a ascending order. Fine. So now we can rearrange it. That means reverse equal to true. So now it should be in descending order. Yes, now the output is in descending order. So this is the way how to sort the element in the list which is retrieved from the CSV file. Sorting a CSV file with a specified column. To sort by more than one column, you can use item getter with a multiple indices operator. So here there is an example for that. Here is a content. So we are going to select the field based on which field the whole element has to be arranged. If it is based on the item name, the keyboard, monitor, mouse should be arranged in ascending order. According to that, the quantity will also be rearranged. Let's see the example. So let's see this example. Here there is a file name of sample3. Next reader means the heading will be skipped, and for row in reader, print row. So simply we are going to print the content which is given in the file sample3.csv. So here the number is 12101 Arun Chennai. Next 32. Okay, this is the output. Now we are going to sort. So to sort a particular column, sort list equal to sorted, reader, comma, key equal to operator dot get item getter of 2. So we are going to sort the element based on the column 2. Then we are asking to print the sort listed. We'll check. So the column which is to be arranged or sorted is second column. Okay. So the second column is Arun, Meena and Ram. So based on that, the whole content is changed. So first is 101, next one is 102 Kovai. The second element, second row is moved, third row is moved to the second place. Okay. So we can even change as 3. So index value is out of the range. That means we'll take it as 0. So first 2 is arranged based on, here the number is arranged 1, 2, 3. First this 0, 1, 2. It is not arranged based on the name, it is arranged based on the city. Chennai, Kovai, Nellai. So K and N. Okay. So what I want to insist here is this 0 is for the column. First column is treated as 0. Next is 1. Next is 2. If it is 2 means that is the third column. So the third column, Chennai, Kovai, Nellai. So as it is in order only. So you have learnt how to sort the value in CSV file, sorting a particular column, using operator module for sorting multiple columns. Thank you. That's all for the session. Have a good day.